Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's video, I'll show you how to install APKTime on Chromecast.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Let's get started. We're going to hop over to step 1 and then we'll go to step 2. Step 1 is about enabling apps like Downloader or any other app to install an application from a third party, or install unknown apps, or install apps from unknown sources. So we're going to go to quick settings and then head over to all settings. From there, we'll navigate down to system. Go ahead and launch about. Under about, you're going to find the build OS. So OS build, click on it 7 times. As you can see, I've clicked on it 7 times and now you should see a message saying you are now a developer. So this enables you to basically allow the installation of apps from unknown sources and allow the installation of unknown apps. Now, when that is in place, you can head over to step 2. Step 2, we're going to be using the downloader application. If you don't have this app, I have a video showing you how to get this app on Chromecast. Check that video out and open the app. Now, when you have the app downloaded, just over to the top bar, come to this pound icon at the top right. Click on it and then you're going to put in this code. So this is the code to download and install APKTime 21254. So if you have that code in, just click on done and give it a second. So in 5 seconds, it will redirect you to a download button. All you need to do is click that button, hold on for a few seconds, and your download will begin automatically. So right there, you see the button loading up. I'm giving this a second. So immediately it's downloading, bam, I click on the button and that redirects. So it's going to begin the download. Downloader application is going to take over this download and we'll see a progress bar showing how far the download has gone. But you have to give it a moment to kick up. If your internet connection is good, it will take just a couple of seconds. So before downloading anything on Chromecast, ensure that you have very good internet connection. Also, it's important to close at when it comes up. When your app comes out, just click on close. You can see the downloader application has taken over the download and the download is progressing. So immediately the download is done, I'll click on the install button to install the app. You may see a message there saying something like allow unknown sources or allow an unknown app if it's your first time. So actually it's not my first time, so that message does not pop up yet. Here you see an install button. I have an update button because I have the app already installed, but just click on the install button, update button for the latest version if you have the app already, and then click on done. So this method is shooting 2 birds with a stone. It is downloading and installing the app. It's also updating the app to the latest version. So click on done and now you could delete the package file right here. Just click on delete and it deletes the package file to save space on Google TV. I will head back to the dashboard and I have downloaded the APKTime app downloaded and I can access it on my app library just right here. So basically that's it for this tutorial. If you find that insightful, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video content just like this. DaveTech signing out.